Hi, welcome to Spice It Up. Today we're going to make some Gujarati green beans. They're runner beans that I've already bought as washed, and their tops and tails have been cut already. So we're going to put these straight into a pan of boiling hot water for 3 to 4 minutes just to get them a little soft. So let's get cooking. While the water is boiling, we're going to cut these in half. So that's ready to go. So we're going to cook the green beans in some boiling water for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll just wait for that to boil and then we'll start the next. So for this recipe, we're going to need about 7 cloves of garlic. I'm using elephant garlic because I find it easier to peel. Maybe it's my lazy way of getting around. So we're just chopping it all the way down to little pieces, or if you have a garlic crusher, just use that. Now we're going to fry the green beans, and we're going to put the oil in first. It's half a cup, and we're going to add in the garlic. And then we're going to add in some mustard seeds. So this is my masala dabba, which has everything organized in it. This is the masala spoon I use, but you can use teaspoons. So we're going to put in 4, that would be 8 of these. Now I'm going to add in chilies. They're dry red chilies. Now we can fry. And just stir it round so that all of the garlic, mustard seeds get mixed in. And we want to get it nice and sort of golden brown. Just let it fry a little bit. Add some salt. And we're going to put a teaspoon of sugar in. And all it will do is just give it a little taste of sweetness. I'm going to add in a little bit of ginger. And we're just going to put half a teaspoon. Now earlier we put 2 dried chilies, so I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. So we just want to leave it frying for another 4 to 5 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Serve it now. That is nice. Try one, shall we? The green beans are lovely and soft, just right. Enjoy this with rice, or in fact naan bread or rotis. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks, take care.